Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly. Today in the mail, I just got my ice cream beauty box for, I believe it's for February. I did not open my ice cream beauty box on camera for December. A lot has happened had happened in December, so I didn't do a whole lot of unboxings then. Oh, Brooklyn's trying to get up on my lap and I had this on my lap. I feel so bad. Brooklyn, I'm sorry. So I'm dying to get into this because I didn't see any unboxings of this yet. This subscription, Brooklyn, is about $25 a month, I believe, and you do get a choice of a palette, so I was able to choose which palette I wanted. I don't remember which one it was, but I was able to make a choice. So let's see what I got. Very excited. Oh boy, my dog's gonna love this one. Look at how it comes. So I need to figure out what to do with all of these little foamy things. Foamy peanuts, I guess they're called. So this is the February Be My Valentine box for sure. Just checked. All right. Oh boy. Okay, so the first thing I got, no, Brooklyn, she's gonna come over here and want to eat everything. No, gonna close the box each and every time. Okay, is a lip kit. The lip kit is by Basic Beauty, gel liner, matte liquid lipstick. Let's see if I like the color. First of all, now, I normally do not use lip liners. I remember when I was growing up in the 80s, and lip liner was a great thing for people, but they always line their lips darker than the lipstick, and it would just look funny to me. So I never really got into this. So I never got the technique down to where it looks normal. You know what I mean? So here is the color. Now, Brooklyn just ran away with the winner of my last week's giveaway. Yes, she's got it right there and she's chewing on that blue piece of paper. Brooklyn! So, hold on just a moment. Okay, so I'm back. So, I'm not too concerned about the little piece of paper. I do reuse them all the time because I don't like to waste. I don't write everyone's name down again. I have everyone's name for my giveaways, like here. And if you enter, I just find your name and I put you in the bucket. So like I don't waste, but obviously I'm not mad at her for taking Angie's little sticky. I can just make another one, but what I was concerned about mostly was, her eating paper, obviously. Not a good diet. Excuse me. Okay, but anyway, back to this. So I got this and the the lip liner. I am not probably going to keep this. This will probably go in a giveaway because I don't know. I really don't care too much for the color, and I have so many lippies, and with this virus going around, I don't even hardly wear lipstick anymore. I usually just put on chapstick because, my lips get dry, but as for lipstick, the only time I ever use it is when I'm filming or, in Iowa. They don't have a mask law right now. So you can go to Iowa, which is where my husband works in Iowa. I live in Illinois. But when we go over to Iowa, we don't have to wear a mask. So I do wear lipstick then, but out here in Illinois, yeah, we still have it. But anyway, I have enough lippies. Enough lippies to last me a good lifetime. All right. This, okay. And, the lippy thing, let me see. The lip kit, they say was $25, worth $25. This is Pure Cosmetics 3-dimensional fiber lash mascara. Oh, I know I'm going to love this. Look at this. Look at this. So it must be a primer and a mascara, 3-dimensional. Let's see what it says on here. It says Pure Cosmetics Fiber Lash Mascara worth $30. So I'm assuming one is a primer. Yeah, one is a primer. It says how to use prime, and then it says build, then it says seal. So I'm assuming. This is nice. See, I've not seen anyone else unbox this yet, so this is kind of exciting for me. Thank goodness. You know, I hate when I ruin it for myself, you know. So that's a keeper for me. All right, let's see what else I received. This must be the palette that I chose. So I'm trying to close the box over here because of all those little peanuts, and I don't want Brooklyn to run and grab them. So here's the palette that I chose. This says movie, Take Me to Paris. Let me get it out. This is so pretty, I think. That is so pretty. Okay. And here are the colors, which I love. And there's Brooklyn. Yes, here she is. Nosy Brooklyn. I love the palette. I absolutely love the palette. I do not have this one for sure. Again, I do have multiples of some palettes, and those will be they will be given away in giveaway videos. I do weekly giveaway videos, so just keep your eye out for those. Sometimes it won't be a palette, sometimes it'll be something else, but I do have some palettes that I have. She must have gotten a hold of a peanut. Yep, she's chewing on one of the little things. Oh my goodness. Brooklyn! Anyway, I lost my train of thought. But I do a small giveaway. No matter what, it's always something. I try to make it nice. Okay, so this is the Hollywood Glow. It's pressed highlighter by Eloise. So I'm going to open it. It's all wrapped up. So if I end up not liking it, I hope you guys don't mind if I just want to peek, because if I like it, I want to keep it. And if I don't, it's going to go in a giveaway. I just won't use it. How's that? If I don't want to keep it, I just won't use it. I'm trying to open it without ripping the box, you guys, because I know presentation is everything for some people. For me, it's just the product inside. I don't care about the box. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to save the box for you guys if I don't like it, because it's ripping already. I just can't get it out without it ripping. I'm so sorry. So sorry if you guys win this in the giveaway. Yeah, the box is probably not going to happen for you. Well, you know, sorry about that. All right, let's see what it is. I think I've said my sorries enough. Sorry, 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 sorry. So it comes wrapped like this, nicely wrapped, little compact. And let's see what it looks like. Please don't be dark. Please be light. Okay, so it looks like it has a mirror here with the foil thing. I think I'd have to take that off. This is the color. It's like a gold. It's like a gold color. I don't think I'm going to keep it. Let me bring it back here. Maybe you guys can see the color a little bit better instead of bringing it way up. Because it is kind of, I don't know if it's kind of dark. It's just not my shade. I'm more of like maybe a rosy color. This is more of a golden color. I don't know. I don't know. Let's see. It just says Sunset Boulevard is the color. So I don't know. It's probably not something I will use. So you guys will get this in such a beautiful, lovely box if you win. Sorry. Okay. Next thing I received was this by, and the Eloise Beauty Hollywood Glow Pressed Highlighter. They say is a value of $47. Not bad. Okay, so this is a Hikari. I've seen people pronounce this. I mean, I've heard people pronounce it, but I don't remember. I don't remember. And what is this exactly? It's a Lux Eye Crayon for $17. So let's see what this looks like. Okay, here it is right here. It's just the basic, it's like, I guess people call this a transition color. I would probably use this more of a, you know, more for a primer type thing. It doesn't look like it's got a whole lot of color to it. It's pretty, so I will definitely be using this. I will be keeping this. So, and to tell you how much that was, $17 they say it is. And I have never had to look up the prices for Eyescream Beauty. I kind of trust what they say. So Eloise, with the box that I screwed up, is going to be in a giveaway soon, coming soon to a channel near you. I'm gonna keep the palette. Definitely I'm gonna keep this, which is the eyelash mascara and primer. And this lip kit will be in a giveaway. So out of all these products, I'm keeping what, 1, 2, 3, and you guys are getting 2. So just to let you know, look out for my giveaways, because I will be giving a lot of stuff away that I know I'm not going to use. I have a lot of stuff, and I don't want to give you anything old, so this new stuff coming in is what I'm going to, you know, focus on giving away. So I'm not going to have a giveaway in this video, but I do have giveaways. And I will do giveaways in videos, just like, surprise giveaway. I will do that because everybody else does. Why not me? Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please, please, please subscribe to my channel and comment down below. Do you guys get ice cream? I love it. I'm keeping this box. This is one that we already prepaid for. So my husband and I talked about it. I'm getting this box again. Of course, you know, we have to talk back and forth, my husband and I, about money. But this was already paid for before December, before anything. So I've got this box coming. Anyway, everyone, thank you very much and have a great day. Bye.